keys. This is what he gave me. Good morning, y'all. I'm sharing the word. I'm just doing my duty behind God. It says, pray to thy Father which is in secret, and thy Father which seeth in secret shall reward thee openly. Matthew chapter 6, verse 6. I will walk among you and will be your God, and ye shall be my people. Leviticus chapter 26, verse 12. I know y'all can't see it, but that's why I'm reading it. I am the light of the world. He that follow me shall not walk in darkness, but shall have light of life. John chapter 8, verse 12. Greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world. 1 John 4:4. Blessing and glory and wisdom and thanksgiving and honor and power and might be unto our God forever and ever. Revelation chapter 7, verse 12. If it be possible, as much as lieth in you, live peaceably with all. Romans chapter 12, verse 18. Okay, this is for me right here. Anybody else that want to take it, take it. If you're going through a tough time, read Romans chapter 12, verse 18. Have peace through it all and know that God is going to help you see your way through. The Lord seeth not as man seeth, for man looketh on the outward appearance, but the Lord looketh on the heart. 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 7. We know not what we shall pray for, but the Spirit itself maketh intercession for us. Romans chapter 8, verse 26. And then my bonus ones before I pull for myself or anybody else can take from it. I'm going to read the special ones. Let me see. Especially this one. Said he been talking. What things soever ye desire when ye pray, believe that you will receive them, and ye shall have them, because he wants you to have them, because you have to put in that work time and dedication. You don't have to be perfect, just try. Mark chapter 11, verse 24. It's small. Fear not, for I have redeemed thee. I have called thee by thy name. Thou art mine. Isaiah chapter 43, verse 1. Don't be scared, y'all. God say he got y'all. Stop fighting with people and put your burdens in his hands. I promise you. Isaiah chapter 43, verse 1. The foolishness of God is wiser than men, and the weakness of God is stronger than men. A wise word spoken. 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 25. Some of these I pulled twice, so God just wants y'all to hear it twice, or he want me to hear it more than once, and that's okay. Pray to thy Father which is in secret, and thy Father which seeth in secret shall reward thee openly. Matthew 6:6. I don't know if I said this one already, but it's good. I will walk among you and will be your God, and ye shall be my people. Leviticus chapter 26, verse 12. If you feel alone, and you're trying to fit in where you get in, don't force yourself in a situation. Know that you are worthy. Know that you are special. Know that you belong in a placement somewhere. Read the scripture. You are loved. You're not alienated. You're special, and God says so. Leviticus chapter 26, verse 12. And I'm going to close it on that. I hope that this touches somebody. I hope that this uplifts somebody, encourages. I can, I will, I must, because you can. Don't be scared. Don't be battered, confused. Have hope. You can do it. I'm sending love, blessings, and support to humanity, to the world, because God told me to do it. Peace.